I spent the last 3 days investigating the most hyped AI tool of 2026. 3 name changes in 1 week. Over 900 people's computers got exposed online. One person's bill hit around $3,600 in a single month. Here is what the AI influencers are not telling you. Everyone is going crazy over this AI tool right now. Your favorite tech YouTubers are calling it the biggest thing since ChatGPT. They are showing you emails getting replied to automatically, negotiations happening on their behalf, entire websites being built from just their phone. But here is what they're not telling you. A top Google security expert says flat out, don't install this. A cybersecurity CEO who just sold his company for $250 million tweeted one word: disaster is coming. One tech reviewer's first month cost him an estimated $3,600. So today I'm breaking down exactly what's real, what's exaggerated, and what could cost you serious money or put your personal information at risk. Full transparency, I'm not promoting any services here, no affiliate links, just the simple truth. So what is this thing? First, let's clear up the confusion because even the name keeps changing. It started as Clawdbot. Then the company that makes Claude AI, which is Anthropic, they forced them to change the name because it was too similar to sound. So it became Moltbot. Then just days later, the creator said Moltbot is too difficult to remember, and then they renamed it again to OpenClaw. 3 different names, 1 week. That's how chaotic this has been. So what does it actually do? OpenClaw is like having a virtual assistant that lives on your computer, and you control it through messaging apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. You send it a text message with a command. It uses Claude AI or any other AI tools to do tasks on your computer. Things like reading your emails, browsing websites for you, running code, organizing files, basically anything you could do yourself on your computer, but this time it is automated. It was created by Peter Steinberger, a developer who previously sold his company for 100 million euros. So this is not some random person on the internet. He is successful and he knows what he is doing. But here is the thing. He built this in just 5 months as a side project. This is not a professional grade software like Microsoft Office or Google Drive. So what's actually driving all this hype? Money. Many YouTubers are pushing cloud services and earning commissions when you sign up. Services like Hostinger, DigitalOcean, Lightnode, etc. So they tell you that you need a $3 to $5 per month cloud server to run this tool. But cybersecurity experts are literally screaming, do not put this on a cloud server unless you really know what you're doing. Why? Because putting this on the internet creates huge security problems. Recent scans found over 900 installations that were exposed to the entire internet. Not 90, over 900. Here is the technical problem in simple terms. So when you set this up on a cloud server, internet strangers can access your computer without needing a password. It's like leaving your front door wide open with all your valuables inside. One researcher found 8 installations where literally anyone on the internet could send commands to these people's computer and see months of their private messages, account password, and sensitive information. This is not a bug in the software. It's people following incomplete YouTube tutorials that skip the security steps. The truth: you don't need a cloud server. An old laptop sitting at your home will work perfectly fine. And here is another thing. Some creators are telling you to buy a Mac Mini specifically for this. That's around $599 USD. They are claiming they are selling out because of this demand. You don't need Apple products at all. Any old PC or laptop will work. Now let's talk about the biggest lie of all, the cost. Everyone says it is around $5 a month. But that's only the cloud server cost. They are completely ignoring the AI charges. See, OpenClaw does not have AI built into it. It connects to AI services like Claude, OpenAI, or Gemini. And every single task you give, it uses their AI, which costs money. Every single time. Think of it like this. The $5 server is like renting an office space. But the AI usage is like your electricity bill, and it can really get expensive if you use it a lot. Here is what's actually happening to real people. One person spent over $300 in just 2 days doing basic tasks. Tech reviewer used 100 million AI tokens in his first week. His estimated bill for that month was around $3,600. Claude AI charges $3 to $15 per million token. So if you use it heavily, costs may double. So your $5 months can easily become hundreds or even thousands per month. And that is if you remember to set spending limits. Most tutorials don't even mention this step. But the costs are not even the scariest part. Let me break down the security problems in simple language. Problem 1. Your passwords are stored like regular text files. All your passwords, secret keys and sensitive information, they are saved as a plain text file on your computer, like a Word document sitting in a folder. This is not just theory. Hackers are actively targeting OpenClaw folders right now with viruses specifically designed to steal this information, and it is happening today. So problem number 2, hidden commands in emails. OpenClaw can't tell the difference between your commands and fake commands hidden in emails or websites. So someone could send you emails with invisible instruction that can make OpenClaw buy things, delete your files, or even leak your information. And it can get worse. Problem number 3. Permanent brain damage. This one's scary. Hackers can modify OpenClaw's memory files to plant fake beliefs or a malicious command directly into its brain. Even after you remove the virus from your computer, OpenClaw stays infected. The AI itself becomes compromised at a fundamental level. You would have to completely reinstall everything. Problem number 4. The code library has no security checks. OpenClaw has library of add-ons that people create and share, but there is zero checking if these add-ons are safe. Here is how an attack could happen. A hacker submits a request to add a feature. A volunteer approves it. OpenClaw downloads the code. The hacker takes over. Your problem is compromised now, all within minutes. Problem number 5. You could get in legal trouble if you work in banking, healthcare, law, or any regulated industry. Using this could break serious rules. Your company's IT policies almost certainly don't allow tools like this. And if you connect your work accounts and there is a security breach, you could be held personally responsible. The fundamental problem is this. To make OpenClaw work, you have to turn off 20 years of computer security protections. All the safety features your computer has gone. Now, to be fair, one specific security problem has been fixed recently, but the deep architectural issues, those can't be fixed with a simple update. And where there is hype, there are scammers. Someone created a fake cryptocurrency called Clawd, claiming it was connected to this project. It hit $16 million in value and crashed to $8 million before Peter even responded, then collapsed to under 800,000 after he said it was fake. Here is how it happened. Scammers hijacked social media accounts using a 10-second window between when Peter released the old name and claimed the new one. They actually controlled the official accounts temporarily. Fake profiles everywhere. They hijacked Twitter accounts, pump and dump schemes all over the place. Let me be crystal clear. Any cryptocurrency claiming connection to Clawdbot, Moltbot, or OpenClaw is complete scam. Period. One more thing. Many influencers are selling this as a private alternative to cloud AI services. But putting it on a cloud server completely destroys any privacy benefits. And even running it locally on your computer creates the security risks that we talked about. Privacy first is just a marketing language. The reality is very complicated. So what's the bottom line? If you are thinking about installing this, ask yourself honestly, do you understand computer security deeply? Can you read and understand code before running it? Can you afford surprise bills of $500 to $3,000 every month? Are you comfortable being an early guinea pig for brand new AI security risks? If you answered no to any of those, this tool is not ready for you. But if you still want to experiment, use an old isolated laptop, not your main computer. Never connect it to the internet. Always enable password protection everywhere. You can set strict spending limits on AI usage. Never connect your bank accounts, crypto wallets, or financial apps. And honestly, most of those impressive demos you are seeing, existing tools already do those things safely. Tools like Zapier, N8N, Make.com, they handle email automation, web scraping, and integrations without turning your computer into a security risk. Look, I'm not saying OpenClaw has zero potential. Peter Steinberger is legitimately successful. The technology is genuinely interesting, and security fixes are being released. But the gap between what influencers are selling you and what security experts are warning about is massive. Don't let fear of missing out push you into decisions that could expose your personal information or drain your bank account or compromise your computer. Do your own research. calculate the real costs, and remember, when everyone's rushing to get in on something, that's usually the best time to slow down and think clearly. If this video helped you see the past hype, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest breakdown that cut through the noise.